We got this wall of apartments, just a big wall. All apartments all the way. One giant wall. And if I could put the camera up there and balance it, I would. Looks like I won't balance like that. But you got the wall. And I'm with my daughter right here. So we're gonna go check out, what is it, that wall over there. And we're gonna choose one of those side streets and we're gonna go down it. And we're gonna show you what it looks like and we'll go from there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Show you to. So I think we're gonna go into that street there, I think, and we're gonna just walk across here and go down. Could do that one as well, but I think that one looks kind of interesting because it's I don't know, we'll see. But first we got to do first things first. Let's go across the street. We got a red light here. Before we go on, this is Victoria Park, and way up there is Gia Hill. There's a lighthouse up there. Then we got the police station right there, and then we're gonna go across the street into our target street. So we kind of have a little bit of a waiting period, and now we got our green light, so now we can go across. And we're going to go down that way. And I think I kind of want to go that building over there because I know that's a short street because it goes to it's going to go to a big park right over there. And there's a couple of interesting stuff on that side street along the way as well, so we can check out those things as well. Oh, hey Ken, how's it going? That's actually that's my mechanic. So I walked by him and I didn't look at him until, but I could feel like somebody who recognized me, and that's my mechanic right there. So hello to Ken there. So our target street is going to be this one right here. It's called Rua de Leôncio Ferreira, and it's kind of a short street. So that's kind of why I wanted to do it, because we're starting out in kind of a funny spot. But that's the name of the street right there. That's kind of a cool photo right there, right in the corner. Actually, right there in the corner is a really nice photogenic spot right there. And we're just gonna go down this little lane right here, and it's a Rua de Leôncio Ferreira. And before we go down, let me do a 360. There's Grand Lisboa Casino right there. That's goes up towards Gia Hill behind those. That yellow building is see you Ken. That's my mechanic right there. He just went by again. I didn't see him. Okay, so let's go down this street. And we got a little bit of rain, and a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a tiny little bit of rain. Got a tiny little bit of rain. Huh, actually this one looks like kind of a, just check this out real quick. I'm just gonna look in this real quick, because I think this one is I'm gonna see if I can bring the camera in. Hello.
Hello.
Just want to film that real quick. So this one has all kinds of cool stuff. Vue de Soleil. It's a really nice restaurant. So yeah, actually they got a lot of really cool stuff. Birdcage right there as well. And then this kind of historic stuff. So yeah, actually in Macau you don't really know what you're going to come across. Sometimes you'll come across really amazing stuff. I wish I knew the history about this one. So we're going to head back out. Let's see, where did she go? There she goes. There she is. I'm just gonna capture this real quick, Kaya. So that's kind of a cool looking restaurant right there. So and that's the name of it right here. So, what do you think? You like that one? I like the green as well. I think that one is there's these kind of older style restaurants that have a lot of like vintage characteristics to them. And I was watching some other YouTubers that came to Macau, and they were like capturing images of restaurants like that. And I think that one is one right there. I kind of want to go back and check it out. This is kind of interesting. This is like something called white dress, but they have like a little lighting in there and things like that. It's kind of a cool spot.
That's where you check what kind of clothing looks good.
Oh yeah, because you got the lighting, right? So we're gonna come to the end of the street. I guess we could come down to it right now. But I also want to bring the camera over there, which is kind of a separate street, I guess. Edificio Sonyan. Wow, that's a good photo. So I think if there's nothing else that we learned from this street, we learned that that little space is really cool. There's a really cool little restaurant right there that I would love to eat in. And check out this one too. This one right here is called the Moss. I wonder, maybe we can try to see if we can go into that one. Let's see if they have a door. It's kind of a pretty shop, right? You got the upstairs as well. I was thinking it might be. So now we're kind of on this main street. And I guess we should probably come to the end of our street, so I'm going to put the camera here. And you want to say anything to the camera? Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la